What's going on, everybody? It's Tactical Trash Panda once again, here to do a quick unboxing video of my Holster Palooza prize from HCM Holsters. Now, I did already open this package once. I did do a video. I'm doing a redo now because as I was doing it, there was a lot of background noise, which kind of sucks. But hey, at least this time it'll be a quicker video, I guess. Just getting straight to the points and the facts and everything. Now, guys, I was very excited for this. I still am. And I hope you enjoy the video. So, let's get to it. Now, like I said, unfortunately, this is the second time I'm doing a video. So, it has already been opened. But I have not had to really touch anything, like modify or like put anything together. So, let's get back to it. So, as you can see, they gave me a badass hat from Condor. Name tape from Angry Sarge. HCM patch. Now this is a Velcro hat, so I can put my patch on there, but I like the looks of the HCM patch on there. It looks dope, man. I would love to represent my brothers at HCM. Let's put that aside. This is awesome. I'm definitely gonna be wearing this. Looks like a quality hat as well. Breathable material, which definitely makes a difference over here during the summertime where I'm at. That's there. They got limited amount of these PVC patches at the moment. I don't know if it's on the website just yet, but HCM Holsters, you can find them on Facebook and Instagram. Their website is live, so if you go to their Instagram, I know you can go to their website. I'll also put a link to their website in the description at the end of the video. So I know you guys were waiting for this. I was waiting for this. Got my logo laser engraved. Black multicam. Like I said, black multicam is HCM's go-to. Like their logo, what they're known for is their black multicam. That's the theme that their company is based off. And if you don't know who HCM Holsters is, it's a gentleman named Carmen. He is the one that manufactures these holsters, puts them together. And my man, Angry Sarge. I'm going to do a quick reference. I believe he said he has over 20 years experience in the military in different branches over time. He is current LEO. A shit ton of experience, a shit ton of knowledge, you know. This is a man who I truly respect. He's always looking out for the community. He's looking for the best for everybody. True gentleman and a scholar. Like, I got mad respect for Angry Sarge. And brother, thank you for everything that you've done. He helps this channel out a lot. He helps out a lot of our fellow channels. And man, he's just good people. So thank you, Sarge. So that being said, he does have his military brothers and sisters out on the line right now. LEOs currently wearing these holsters, testing them in battle on an everyday carry basis. So these are definitely proven. So Carmen was the man that has the skills to create these holsters. Sarge was the man that took them to the next level with what you call it, purpose driven, what would cause them to be more purpose driven. And man, when you feel these, like, these holsters are definitely definitely purpose-driven made. It's got the Safariland QLS, which I asked for because my battle belt accepts these, and these are a great way if you have a lot of different firearms and a lot of different holsters. You don't have to keep swapping out your battle belt stuff. You just take this off and slap it on, slap it on, slap it on. Here's an example. That's my 19 holster. Just gotta push in those forks. And that's the other part. Locked in place. Now that's the G21 holster. So, guys, I got 3 different HCM holsters at this point. I love them all, and I'm gonna continue buying HCM, and I probably will be replacing all my holsters with HCM in the near future. So that's the Bad Mama Jammer right there. Olight with the Baldur Pro. I know Olight gets a whole lot of flack, but hey, you know what? I don't really carry this firearm too often. I will now that I do have a quality holster for it. For now, this was more so my bedside firearm, but that's a big light with a laser on it. I don't really care too much about lasers. I got this for a good deal, so I got it. But check this out. Listen to that retention. I didn't even mess with the screws or retention, anything. You hear that positive click on there? Ooh, man. I don't know if Carmen like messed around with the retention already before sending this out, but that thing is on point right now. You can't beat that. I'm gonna have to ask them if I need to Loctite the screws, because I know a lot of times with a lot of these holster companies, you gotta Loctite the screws after you adjust the retention on them. I may not have to, but I'm gonna ask them anyway, just to be on the safe side. Because when you're out training, if you don't have Loctite on your gear, it is gonna eventually come apart, and you do not want to lose screws. They sent me a cat tourniquet with a holster for it. Guys, this is my very first cat tourniquet. Usually I run Recon Medical, which I have right here. Got a Recon Medical tourniquet right here set up already. And this is a good time to see if the holster will accept it. Which it does. It's a little loose with the way I have it set up right here, but I could always mess with the retention. So I'm happy to see that it will accept my Recon Medical holsters. I mean, Recon Medical tourniquets, because I have quite a few of these. That is the only one I have of these so far. That is going to go on the battle belt. And they do have, they come with Blade Tech lock system, which is awesome because I've been wanting to try this system for a while. You could adjust these, make adjustments for the width of your belt. So, and then lock it in place, stays put, does not move around. So guys, thank you for this. Medical is something that I always like to push on my Instagram and YouTube, because if you're carrying one of these, you better be able to patch up what these do, because You never know which side you're going to be on. So minimum I recommend is a quality tourniquet. Stop the bleed. Take a class, take a class, learn how to use this stuff, stop the bleed, save a life. Even if it's not yours, save somebody's life. Have the knowledge for it. So HCM did throw in one of these little Velcro pouches too. Hook and loop system. And this is for anybody that has these type of pairs of shears. These are very common with a lot of the medical kits that come already, with a lot of trauma kits. So you can put this on your plate carrier, on your war belt. It is hook and loop system, so it's not going to go anywhere once you do it. It just slips in right there. Put this right there to keep it in place so it doesn't fall out. That ain't going nowhere. We had another patch. Another PVC patch. It's the same one I got right here, but they threw it in because I won this prize. Shout out to HCM again. Thanks, guys. I mean, they are some great people. Seriously. Leatherman Raptor shears. I was not expecting this. I had to go back and sure enough, it was part of the Palooza prize. And look, Leatherman threw in their own little holster, I guess you call that. And as you can see, this shit is flimsy. Let's go in the box. There's HCM's holster. Way more durable. So these right here are gonna be put on my battle belt. And these things are fucking sweet. Okay. There you go. These are a lot more durable than these. But at least have one of them. It's nice to have both now, so I could put one on my battle belt, the other one on my plate carrier. That goes there. I love Leatherman. Any Leatherman products, they are definitely quality and they have a lifetime warranty. So, guys, this right here is what everybody was trying to go for during the Holster Palooza. And I don't know if I mentioned or not, but before HCM launched, like a week prior to their website launching, they did do a Holster Palooza, which was raffle based, so you paid to play. And for a week, they had multiple winners, like at least 3 winners a day for 7 days. And this was the last day number 7. Guys, this was the thing I had my eyes on the whole time. Sure, I wanted the holster too. Don't get me wrong. Everybody got a holster that week. Trust me. But day number 7 was special because they were raffling off this Trijicon RMR. I have never owned a Trijicon. They are really expensive for my budget. So I've always stuck with the Holosters. But guys, I'm really excited to mount this on and take it out to the range, zero it in, and see how it works. I even purchased new sights from Night Vision. New sights, optic ready, just because I knew I was getting this. So now that I have this, I can install them both at the same time. Take it out for the range. I also am looking into purchasing a tripod, so I could do range videos. So keep an eye out for that. because I will be doing range videos when I'm probably testing this stuff out, zeroing it in. I know you guys did mention that you wanted to see more range footage, so I'll be able to do that shortly. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching the video. I am very excited. I've been waiting for this. And guys, make sure to check out HCM Holsters. Again, I'll put their link in the description. They are fairly new, but their products are top notch. You cannot beat them, and I will be, like I said, I will be replacing my current holsters that I don't have, the current holsters that are not HCM, I will be replacing it with HCM in the near future, one by one. So thanks for watching, everybody. Hit that like button. I would appreciate if you hit that share button. You don't have to share the video, but as long as you copy the link, it acts as if you shared it already. So like, subscribe, share, leave a comment. Help me out. See what I want to see what your thoughts are. I know a lot of people have been waiting for this video. I've been waiting for this video. I'm happy to finally launch it. So I appreciate you guys. I'll also put in a link to my Instagram. And please follow me on Instagram. I do post up there more often. So, till next time, guys. Appreciate you watching. Take care.